Step-by-step GrowMAX RO filter installation. Number 1. Using a Hozelock mixer tap connector. This method preserves pressure with a non-permanent connection. Screw together the female BSP push fit and a male threaded 3/4 inch BSP adapter. Fit the white tube and secure the fitting. Number 2. Using a self-cutting tap. Place the back bracket behind your chosen pipe. Screw the front bracket into place. Screw the tap into place, being careful not to pierce too far into the pipe. Tighten the tap using the wrench. And apply some PTFE tape to the tap. Screw on the female BSP push fit. Number 3. Using a pressure booster pump kit. Apply some PTFE tape to the collets. Screw in the collet and tighten with the wrench. Disconnect the filter exit pipe. Connect the filter outtake to the pump intake. Then connect the booster out to the filter in. Cut a section from the pure water tube and fit the high pressure switch to the pure water tube. Next, link up the power to the pump. And now your booster pump is all set up. And those are the alternate methods to installing your RO filter.